today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at our latest simple DIY project, Giant Jenga. This is Mayor Product Reviews. This project originally started as a birthday party idea for lawn games. We wanted to do a big yard Jenga and a bunch of large wooden blocks to play dice outside for my son's birthday party. But then Covid-19 happened, and now we're all social distancing and stuck inside the house. So this has become a really easy project to keep us sane and play large Jenga right inside, or to take it outside to the lawn on sunny days. Instructions for this are really simple. We took 5 2x3s and cut them to 7.5 inches in length, and then simply sanded the blocks and rounded the edges. I've been a little missing in action on my channel lately because we've been adjusting to our new normal in every way possible in my family. But this was a great project that we did with the kids. We found that some days are good, some days are hard, and by keeping things fresh and having new fun games to play, we're all staying sane inside the house together. You can find my very simple instruction for these Jenga blocks in my write-up below. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned to my channel for more DIY projects like this and more product reviews to come. I'll see you guys next time. Hang in there.